Hi there, Internet Explorers. Today I'm trying to introduce to you an incredible project that's making waves in the online world, Proxys.io. Now buckle up because this isn't run of the mile proxy service. It's a game changer and can't wait until I show you this website. So Proxy.io, this is the website, and what I love in this website is first of all the prices and also the design of this website, because it's not like all the proxies classic design. So what is exactly Proxys.io all about? Well, it's one-stop destination for secure and anonymous proxy that take your online experience to the next level. Whether you're a casual surfer or a seasoned web aficionado, Proxys.io has something for everyone. Now let's talk about different type of proxies they offer. So let's check it from here, and this is the pricing for each services from the foreign IPv4, individual IPv4, and the foreign IPv4. You can check also the other services from data center IPs to residential IPs and even mobile IPs. Proxys.io has a wide range of options to suit your needs. Whether you're bypassing restriction, enhancing trustworthiness, or flying under the radar, they've got you covered. But wait, there is more. Proxy.io isn't just about proxies, it's about delivering exceptional user experience. And you can check that from here. And as they will tell you in this paragraph, with 24/7 support, multiple payment methods, a convenient proxy checker, and proxies from over 70 countries, their truth of everything to make your online journey smoother and more enjoyable. The contact from here, and as you see, you can contact them from this link. Mobile proxies, this is the prices of the mobile proxies, how much, the period, is it for 1 month or more, the country that you want, city, operator, and which protocol. And let's talk about reliability. Proxys.io provides stable proxies that are thoroughly checked before sale, ensuring that your browsing experience is seamless and hassle-free. Plus, with their wide range of geos, you can explore the internet from anywhere in the world. So let's check the proxy checker, and as you see, proxy IP address, proxy port, you can check this from here. You can also check it by proxy by mask. So if you are ready to take control for your online experience, whether you are surfing, streaming, or scarping, Proxys.io is your ultimate companion. Trust me, once you experience the freedom and security they offer, you will never look back. You can also check their blog from here, and they are very active with lots of articles that you can read. Finally, you can sign in from here. So you go here and create your account, email address, and also the Telegram, sign up, and after that you can have your own proxy. They have all method payments like web money, Visa, MasterCard, Kiwi wallet, Bitcoin, and also this Russian wallet. So thank you very much for your trust, and thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that button, like, and subscribe for more awesome videos. If there is any question, you can question me in the comment section, or you can ask them here from here in Telegram or online chat. Until the next time, happy browsing.